Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the features of the Fireboltt Cobalt smartwatch, a powerful device packed with advanced technology. First off, the Fireboltt Cobalt comes equipped with Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring a stable and efficient connection for all your wireless needs. One standout feature is Bluetooth calling, which allows you to make and receive calls directly from your wrist. It boasts a vibrant 1.43-inch touch display, giving you a clear and responsive interface for easy navigation. Plus, it's water-resistant with an IP67 rating, meaning it can handle splashes and brief submersions without a hitch. Health monitoring is a key focus of the Cobalt, featuring a heart rate monitor and SpO2 sensor to keep track of your heart health and blood oxygen levels. It also includes a pedometer, sleep monitor, and step count functions to help you stay on top of your fitness goals. Additional features include an alarm clock, stopwatch, reminder, and timer, making it a versatile tool for daily use. Stay tuned as we explore each of these features in more detail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews.